Your phone battery is draining faster than ever, and it's not the battery. It's these settings. Here are 5 phone settings you must turn off to save battery life. Most apps keep running in the background, even when you're not using them. This drains battery silently. On Android, go to Settings, gives Apps, gives Battery, gives Restrict Background Usage. On iPhone, go to Settings, gives General, gives Background App Refresh. Only allow apps you actually use. Many apps track your location all the time. This is one of the biggest battery killers. Set location access to only while using the app. Never allow unnecessary apps to use location in the background. Your screen uses more battery than anything else. Lower brightness slightly and turn on adaptive brightness. If your phone has a high refresh rate, switching from 120 Hz to adaptive can save a lot of power. Every notification wakes up your phone. Social media apps are the worst offenders. Turn off notifications for apps you don't care about. Your battery and your focus will thank you. Always on display, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scanning can drain battery when left on. Turn them off when not needed, especially overnight. If you do all these steps, your phone can easily last hours longer every day. Subscribe for more phone tips, reviews, and hidden features, new videos every week. Thanks for watching.